Hey, happy Friday everybody, it's Nick with Adventure 406. Today I am just going to basically rip apart all three of the subframes for this car, and this should be hopefully a pretty short video. Let's get into it.
Hey YouTube, if you're still recovering from last week's partial nudity and you're glad that I have a shirt on, please like and subscribe. However, if you're disappointed that I'm no longer working on cars while half naked, please comment below and let me know that you'd like to see more of that in the future.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. That's it for the teardown. I'm not going to pull the struts apart because I got something special planned for that, so stay tuned. I got a whole pile of stuff. I'm going to pressure wash and degrease it one more time before I take it out to my buddy Carlos, and then we're going to sandblast all those big heavy parts. But after we take the struts apart, because we got to blast the strut housing as well. So I'll see you guys next week, and you stay adventurous out there.